Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by proving you own the device. That matters. Locate the model and OS so you pick the correct recovery path and plug the phone in to avoid interruptions. Once done, open Settings or visit the maker's recovery site from another device and sign in with the account tied to the phone. This account is the key for Reset Tools. Make sure you know the account email and any recovery phone or backup codes before proceeding. You now run the platform's recovery flow because it's secure and designed for this. If you're on iPhone, use iCloud Find My or put the device into recovery mode and use Finder/iTunes to restore. This removes the lock but lets you reinstall. On Android, use Google's Find My Device or the manufacturer's Unlock portal. Some require device erase. If you can, back up first. If not, understand that erasing is often the only path to regain access. You finish by restoring your data and setting a new, memorable but strong passcode, then enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. Once restored, verify apps and accounts and update recovery phone and email. If the automated recovery fails, escalate. Contact the manufacturer's support with serial number and proof of purchase so they can validate ownership. If you hit that roadblock, don't try third-party bypass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.